Welcome back to my channel. My name is Beth. This is Cat Lady Budgets. Happy Friday. I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas. I can't wait to hear what you got. So I am doing a couple things today. I'm doing the Winter Wonderland collab with $50. And then I'm doing If You Know, You Know box. I've got $6, and this comes from Angela Marie 888. She did the dashboards, the whole kit. It's on her Ko-fi, and we left off on number 2. I have $6. She also provides you with some prop money, prop coins. So today I'm rolling. What am I rolling? I'm rolling a D2 from Budgeting with Kim, and that will tell me how many coins I'm putting down. So far, everyone's just getting 1. So as I mentioned before, next week my videos will be limited because my husband's on vacation. I did finish a bunch of my stuff. So my content, I'm gearing up for the new year. But next week I will be doing If You Know, You Know, travel binder, travel binder, tiny binder, like doing the snowball fight. And I think that's it. So and then I'll be announcing my new collab next week. So look for that. I cannot find my words today. So number 1 is from Overthinking and Budgeting. Each number is a quarter. We got 50 cents today. Number 2 is from Budgeting and a Fairy Tale. Everything is a quarter. We got 75 cents today. So a whole nother row. Number 3 is from Bookish Mama Budgets. Each bat is a quarter. We got 75 cents. So I'm making really good progress on that. So in case you didn't know what this is, you know, we support our friends in the budgeting community by printing out their freebies and showcasing them on our channels. And we accumulate a lot because there's a lot of wonderful creators in the community who offer a lot of free challenges. So Angela Marie decided to create this so we can use the challenges. So mine are going towards Cat Lady Budget, spending, birthdays, holidays, and Costco and Sam's. So number 4 is from Brooklyn L Saves. Each one is a quarter except for, yeah. So we got $1.25. I think we only needed $1. So let's see, $1, $2, $2.50, $3. So this one is finished. So I'll have to find another challenge. Do I have any? I don't. So number 5. Did I literally... What just happened? You're telling me I skipped over this one the whole time? I'll have to rewatch it. Well, we'll just use this quarter. I don't even have a quarter. So I don't know what happened. guys, I don't know. Did I skip it? Oh gosh. This one's from Nero Spicy Budgeting. This is Thankful but Still Feral. These are 25 cents. So we got 75. So this one is done for $2. I don't know what I did. This one is from Brooklyn All Saves. I got 50 cents. Let's do this one and this one. Oh, maybe that's what I did. This one's for me. I've got 50 cents. These are 50 cents each, so we got one. This is on my Ko-fi. Number 9 is also for me. These are a quarter. I got 50 cents. Number 10 is from Budgeting Fairy Tale. We got 50 cents today. These are a quarter, and then there's a couple that are 50 cents. So I do is I've got 50 cents, and I can do this one from Michelle Plans Daily. And when I edit it, I'll know what I did. And then I'll need to add some new challenges. So we completed 3 and 2. So let me, oh, I do have extras. Hot Mess Express. So let's do that real quick. Got one of mine, number 4. Number 6 is from Nero Spicy Budgeting. Number 7's got one. All right. I forgot the little extras back here. So I need $5. So I'm going to put it on the back of here. If you know, you know. And we will save this $5. Sorry, that was a little chaotic. So thank you, Angela. Well, I think I'm going to, I don't know. I'm going to roll, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's going to birthdays. So I will just put birthdays here. All right. Okay, so that is finished. So next is the Winter Wonderland Collab, which our upcoming challenge box is called Winter Wonderland Box Challenge. But this is hosted by Savvy Girl Saves, and it features these channels. I have $50 in here. I'm going to put the 5s. I'm going to do a D4. And then I'm going to put that many bills. Okay. Okay. Let me move this. So we got 1. Ooh, blue kiwi budget. It's getting a 5. You guys, I've been doing the reindeer races wrong, but that's okay. It's all right. Ooh, only one. Okay. So I have this. Some of these are done, so I'm going to stop with that and then we'll see what we can complete. So this is from Savvy Girl Saves. Each one is $1. We only got $1. So we may be coming back. So we've got 10, 12, we have 15. So I'll just leave that there. This next one is from Ladybug Budgets. Each one's $1. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we finished this one. So this one saved 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So this is done. Next is from Budgeting in a Fairy Tale. We needed $4 and we got $4. So this one is finished. So we should have 16. 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Next is from Blue Kiwi Budgets. We got $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we need $2 to finish, and I will finish it. So we've got $16. Reindeer races we're going to hold on to because I've been messing that up. This one is from Anna Banana Budgets. Each one's 50 cents. We got $3. So 51, 52, 53. So we have 10. So we need $1, 2, and 3. So $3 more. So this one is finished. We have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Next is from the Millennial Saver. Each one's $1. We need $4. We got 3, so we'll borrow this one for 4. So this one will be complete. Should have 16. And we do. So next one is from CBA Mom Saves, and we haven't played any of it. They're 25 cents each, and we've got $1. So I'm going to put this over here, and we're going to complete this one. Next is from Floating Funds, Maddie over there. Each one of these is 50 cents. We got $4. So 51, 52, 53, 54. 55 and 6. So we saved $6 with Maddie's. And then we have Savings with Tracy. Each one's 50 cents. We got $4. So 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, and 6. This one is done as well. So we need $3 more for Savvy Girl Saves. So this one will be complete. should be 18, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. And then the last one is the reindeer games from Weekly Budgets. And I completely messed it up. So technically we won, but we've got $4. So let's do, so there was leftover, so there's $1, $2.50. We'll just call it there. So this one is done. So we saved 13, and this reindeer won. Well, should we see how much I saved altogether? Okay, I'm gonna have to use this, and we're gonna have to math. So this one saved us 13. This was 18. 6, 5, 16, 13, 16, 16, 12. That's it. So let me, hold on. 121? Is that right? 121. I really think it's 121. So let's, so yeah, I'm not going to separate it. So these will all go towards my long-term sinking funds. And I think I will actually fully fund some. So I'll let you know when I do my reallocation video next week. But in the meantime, have a fantastic weekend, and I'll see you in my next video, which won't be till, so I'll do a short video on Sunday, and then my next video will probably be Wednesday. So bye.